Beautiful day here in Bali. I haven't actually done any editing or filming in the last week and a half perhaps. Let me catch you up to speed real fast. I haven't done a whole lot. I have been working on my laptop, doing some business venture type stuff here, and I feel good and accomplished about that, but it is another beautiful day in Bali, so I think today is an adventure day. Let's go. The chariot for the day. I'm actually a little bit nervous about this today. I haven't told you guys this yet, but we totally got a cop shakedown in Kuta. We were driving with my friend Tex. I didn't have a helmet on at the time. We were just going to his hotel, the villa there, and the cop pulled us over, demanded a fee. It was a couple $100. Said that if we didn't pay, we'd be going to court end of September. We told him, we're not even going to be here in September, so how is this going to work out? He ended up saying, okay, $50. He literally put it into his pocket, $50, about, you know, Canadian. We then asked if we could get a receipt so we didn't get pulled over again. He said, no, you go now. I said, what if we get pulled over again, like today? Oh no, you won't get pulled over again today. By the way, this whole time that we're getting a ticket, we got 9-year-olds passing us without helmets on. Nope, didn't care about them, it's just because we're white and we got money, so. It's a little bit crooked that way. I'm just a little bit nervous today. I really don't want to get shakedown again today, so fingers crossed, guys. Just stopping to top up here on gas before we head out. I haven't really shown this yet, but this here, these Absolute bottles. This is a gas station for scooters here in Bali. They fill up all their petrol in Absolute bottles. You stop off, and it's pretty cheap. I think it's for what, a liter. You get well, for a liter it's 8,000, so about 80 cents. So not bad at all.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
We just hopped off the bike. This is Mount Batur behind me here. It is a volcano in the area that last erupted in 1963 apparently. It's kind of neat because you can still see all the volcanic ash and stuff over here. Apparently there used to be a village and a temple in here. Not anymore. What's really cool, I think, is just the landscape all around it is totally concaved all the way around. And then this volcano shot right in the middle left this lake, which apparently after the volcano erupted, the lake became too sulfuric and most of the fish died. They're not too worried about this being an active volcano, but this one over here is Mount Agnung, and that's the one that they are most concerned about going off in the nearest future, which that could still be a long ways away, but apparently it's more prevalent than Mount Batur is anymore. So I gotta say, it's pretty beautiful here though. Something to see if you get the chance to check it out. Mount Batur and Mount Agnung up here in Bali. Yeah, lunch with an alright view, I guess, eh? Hope it doesn't rain on the way home. It could be a wet bike ride. The rain has started. Now it's time for an hour-and-a-half scooter ride back to Ubud. When it rains, it usually pours too, so I'm gonna get soaked. Wow, I just had to pull over because I could not see anymore. I've been running for about 5 minutes and I think my boxes are legitimately drenched. Like, I am to the bone soaked. I have to put away my phone or it's going to be waterlogged by the time I get there. I would love to be able to wait this out, but usually when it rains here, it might rain for the next 8 hours. So I'm going to have to get back in the pool and swim my ass home here. So yeah, I think I'm going to be going slow on the way home. There's already a small stream forming down the road. Okay. Wish me luck. I survived. We made it back. Thankfully I only had to drive for about a half an hour in the rain and then it's cleared up. That's how fast the weather can change here. Yeah, that was both very fun and very sketchy. You already need your wits about you a lot here when you're driving a scooter in Bali, and when you can't see, really doesn't help things. So yeah, that was an experience for sure, but there's literally like, my shoes are filled with water. It's time to go dry everything off and see what we feel like doing tonight. All right. I don't know if you can hear that. Yeah, it is coming down. I just got home and it was, look at the stream coming off the roof here. Just got home, it was sunny here. I guess I left the rain and it looks like the rain has followed me here. It's gotta be like monsoon season or something because it has not rained at all for like the month I've been here. Last 3 days it's been kind of coming down at night. And man, when it comes down, it comes down. I might not be going out tonight. Might be staying in because I don't really want to get back on the bike and go cruise around town. Wow. All right, well, damn. Let's talk again soon.